guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a product that I fell in love with. When it comes to skincare or household products, I try to find products that have natural ingredients and are better for you and your health. These are products that I would use in the past. I don't think most people realize the amount of harsh chemicals that are used to make these kind of products that we use every single day, and we spray them around our children, around our family. I am also guilty myself, but since I found this brand, I am 100% sure that I won't be using and buying these kind of products anymore. So I discovered them through Instagram. This is the box the product came in. I already opened the box and I tried the product. So as you can see from the packaging, these cleaning products are eco-friendly. They use 100% pure essential oils. And this is their website if you want to check them out. It's purdyandfigg.com. This brand was created by two lovely ladies. They wanted to create these cleaning products that are better for people, better for families, and also the environment. So this is what the little leaflet looks like. So I'm just going to read what the leaflet says. You've joined our very special community of people who believe everyday products should bring joy to your life. Purdy and Figg eco cleaners don't just clean incredibly well, they don't just reduce your plastic consumption and remove toxic chemicals, they uplift your cleaning experience, transforming it into something you enjoy. That is our mission, and now it can be yours too. We hope you enjoy transforming your clean from a chore to a pleasure with us, and please do stay in touch.
Purdy and Figg.
Purdy and Figg. Does it smell nice? Cleaning is definitely not one of my favorite things to do. And I don't know about you guys, but when I am cleaning, especially my bathroom, I can really smell that I am spraying chemicals all around. And something that I love about this product is that it works for all around the house. Instead of having to have a different product for your kitchen, your bathroom, the mirrors, this product works for all around the house, which I think is really helpful, and it helps you keep your house more clutter-free. And it's also better for the environment because it comes with this bottle that you can use for life. You can refill it. It's not too heavy. I already filled mine up. Inside the box you will see these very simple steps to follow. So these are some highly concentrated cleaning products. I already used one of them. All I had to do was just pour it inside the spray bottle and then fill it up with some water, shake it really well, and it was ready to be used. I just want to show you all the different scents. So this is the first one, the fun and lively one. This is a blend that's easy to love with a refreshing, juicy scent and cheerful, mood-enhancing properties. Some of the ingredients that are used for this essential oil blend are sweet orange, grapefruit, and nioli leaves. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. It smells amazing. Honestly, after cleaning, you are going to feel like you are in a spa, which I think really helps to make cleaning a bit more enjoyable. Although it has a very strong smell, I can tell that it is all natural. It doesn't smell like any harsh chemicals or something that has a lot of perfume in it. It literally smells like an essential oil that you would use around your house. And the second scent is the calming and confident one. A complex and invigorating scent with woody, earthy notes for a calming and grounding effect. This essential oil blend has sweet orange, coriander seed, and vetiver. They just all smell amazing. Here is the last one that I already used. Inside the bottle is the positive and comforting one. An assertive rush of spicy rose notes give way to soft, balanced floral undertones for a sense of calm, positivity, and stability. And the ingredients for this essential oil blend are rose, geranium, lemon peel, and vetiver roots. At first I thought that this is going to be my favorite one, just because it looks like something that is really sweet and flowery, but I love these other two just as much as this one. They're all different, they're all unique, and they all smell amazing. And now I just want to show you a few surfaces where I use the cleaning products. I try to use it all around the house to test it if it really works. on my mirror I noticed that it didn't really look clean the next day, and I think that's because I sprayed too much product on it. But apart from that, I was really happy with it. I cleaned my makeup table with it and also the bathroom sink. Stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. And probably what I was the happiest with is that it freed up so much space in my under the sink storage. When it comes to your household, skincare, makeup, even the food that we consume, it's so hard to find things that are really all organic and natural. So I am really happy that I discovered this brand, and I think the pricing is also really good. It is affordable. If you buy a package like this one, which comes with 3 different scents and the glass bottle that you can use for life, this can last you for about 3 months. You can make a one-off purchase, but if you prefer, you can also subscribe to their products and they will send you another box or a refill in 3 months time. I forgot to mention that I also got a cleaning cloth in my package, which is in the wash now because I've been cleaning all around the house. I am obsessed with the smell of all these natural ingredients. I can only recommend this product. You would think that this is an ad or they are paying me, but they are not. I just honestly want people to know about this brand because this cleaning product is just so much better than the ones you find in the supermarket. As always, I am going to leave you a link in the description box to their website and also their Instagram. They also have a YouTube channel where they share cleaning tips and also their story, which I really enjoyed hearing, and it just made me want to support this brand even more. I think what they are doing is amazing, and I would love for more people to discover this product and start using it in their homes. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you found this helpful, and if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.